Gonna go ahead and do a BTR Trunnion install. What you need is a 22, a 13, some sort of press. This one's from Harbor Freight. It's cheap, it works good, and trunnions in your rockers. So you want the letters right here on the outside. One side has numbers on it, one does not. You want the numbers on the outside, or the letters, like the stamp. That goes on the outside. So this would be the inside. Get it all set in, make sure your washer's in there. These are, one side's flat, one side's not. So you put the groove side down, the flat side up, that way it pushes into it. Then you put the washers on and snap ring the clips back on. And these are clipped in, they spin free on both sides. If they don't, you might not have your bearings pressed in all the way. You should get a little bit of play. Everything should be free spinning, no binding. Also, a nice set of snap ring pliers is where this comes in handy. I tried it with some cheaper pliers and it was a struggle. But with the install washer, see, it's kind of rounded on one side and flat on the other side. So the flat side goes on the press, the rounded side goes up against the needle bearing that goes in there. That way it fits flush on there. So tools used, you got the snap-on snap ring pliers I use. You got this arbor press from Harbor Freight. It's cheap and easy. I would suggest bolting it down, but this is mine from home, so I brought it in to do this. But that's it, they're all done.